Between Ant and Stacey, I'm getting a lot of shade here. I got to tell you.
I like you.
Thank you, Manu.
No shade, sir. No shade, sir.
It's not shade. It's obvious.
This is the 49th shade of gray on the scale.
Yeah. There's no side eye with Stacey. It's just straight on glare.
50 Shades of Stacey. I like it.
Previously on TWiT. All about Android.
So iQOO is a subsidiary of Chinese manufacturer Vivo, and they also have announced new flagship devices, the iQOO 11 and 11 Pro. You've got a vapor chamber liquid cooling system. You got liquid cooling, like in a phone.
Hands-on photography.
I got my hands on a nice new camera from the folks at Canon. It's the Canon R7. This is one of their latest mirrorless bodies.
This Week in Google.
We were joined by the first engineer to be fired by Elon Musk at Twitter, Manu Cornet.
This one was actually 100% stolen from something Stacey said in one episode.
So that's Stacey saying, you break it, you buy it.
TWiT.
I have inspired art, y'all.
Art, you are.
So exciting. Thanks, Manu.
Exciting. This is awesome.